So learning target 1.6 on the Unit 1 test, it's really just knowing not only the terminology but the notation for triangles. I need to match each picture with the correct name. It says each picture may be used once, more than once, or not at all. If one of the names doesn't have a match, write no match. So, a right isosceles triangle. Well, right means I'm looking for this right angle notation. Isosceles means that two sides are congruent, so that's this notation, which means E is a right isosceles triangle. That both two sides are congruent and I have one right angle. Obtuse isosceles. Now, obtuse means the angle is more than 90 degrees, so D and B are both obtuse. Isosceles, again, two sides are congruent. B shows that both of these sides are congruent, so B is an obtuse isosceles triangle. Acute isosceles means that all angles must measure less than 90 degrees. So that would be this, because if this is 25, if I really can't tell that this is less than 90 degrees apiece, they certainly couldn't have two 90-degree angles, because the sum has to be 180. These two couldn't be obtuse, because, again, the sum would be greater than 180. So this has to be an acute triangle. Isosceles, because these two sides are congruent, so A. Right, scalene means right angle. All three sides are different lengths. The three sides are different lengths, so that is C. Now I'm going to skip this one and come back. Acute, scalene. The only acute triangle in here is this one. Scalene means all three sides have to be of different length, so there is no match. Now the reason we're coming back to this one is this one's a little bit weird. You might actually say that there is no match. Because you look and you say, obtuse, well, these two are obtuse. Scalene, all three sides have to be of different lengths. I don't know on D if these three sides are different lengths, because they don't show me. If they did this, I would know all three sides are different lengths. Since they didn't do that, this may be kind of eyeball. It looks isosceles, but I can't tell for sure if it is isosceles. So on this one, I accepted no match, because you're saying, you know, it might be scalene, but I can't tell. I also, in this case, accepted D, because if it doesn't say things are congruent, then we assume they're not congruent. So I thought I would accept either one on this particular problem for that reason. Technically, I could understand the reasoning behind either one. I probably, if I were going to say it, would say that there is no match because it doesn't show me that these three sides are different lengths. Okay, thank you.